Hello there, you are watching GetProspect tutorial. This video is about the scan mode of our extension. LinkedIn has set up limits for daily profile views to track the usage of auto tools. We have a tracker of such limits on the left side of your credit usage tracker. However, LinkedIn tends to change its moderation patterns, and there is a possibility of receiving a warning even within limits. These moderation patterns are related to how fresh your account is and to using auto tools before. Scan mode is a function that allows our extension to scrape leads from the search page without viewing the profiles. While using scan mode, the GP extension won't visit a lead's profile page, and only the information available on the search page will be saved. Information volume from the search page may be not as big from viewing the profile, but it is still sufficient for GetProspect to find an email with it. You can turn it on by going to the settings section of your extension and switching this tab on. After that, click Save All. You can check your credit usage here. Click on it to view the leads we just saved. You can use both of these modes to decrease the attention from LinkedIn moderation over time, so a high number of views per day won't flag your fresh account as suspicious. For example, if you want to save 500 leads, you can save 200 of them via regular mode and the rest via scan mode. And you can raise the number of saved contacts via regular mode progressively over time. Leads Finder tool GetProspect is the best tool for multitasking B2B sales, recruiting, and marketing managers. Get started now by signing up on getprospect.com. Thanks for watching.